Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode. Dave Rodriguez here, one of the head traders inside the Alliance community. As always, quick shout out to everybody watching the video today. Definitely appreciate the support. Make sure you mash that subscribe button at the end to show that love. All you newbie viewers, make sure you stay to the end. We'll be revealing our new ebook. It's called the Cryptocurrency Consumer Guide. It is a free ebook, has all our best kept secrets and strategies. Tons of facts and some key things you need to know in order to make it in this market. So without wasting any more time, I'm going to jump right into Bitcoin real quick. Let you guys know what's going on. Bitcoin's definitely, the volume is coming to a halt. You know, volatility is extremely low with Bitcoin, doing mostly sideways, bearish action. You saw it here. You saw it here. Price is holding at the 78.6. What I mean by that is, let me pull up a different chart so I don't confuse anybody. 78.6 right here. Holding very well above this last retracement line. I've said this before. I think we're going to melt right through because we've just been seeing bearish sideways motion, bearish sideways motion. So what I feel like we're going to run into, as I always tell you guys, when we're below all the MAs, which we are right now, I'll show you the 50 and the 100. Nice and below these MAs, excuse me, on the daily. And so we're looking for in these larger charts. Hasn't really had any luck breaking upwards. So, you know, we have volume going down to almost nothing. You know, it's an indication of a breakout. I'm pretty sure it's going to be downwards. We have a bunch of indicators with moving up to either neutral with zero momentum and strength. The RSI is pretty bearish right now on the daily. Moving downwards, everything heading kind of down. Couple of mixed signals, mostly bearish though. You know, I'd secure profits on a lot of the altcoins that you guys might have gotten in on. Bitcoin might break down pretty strong from here. If it breaks up, it has no support from any signals on the chart. Bitcoin tends to go against the flock. That's why I tell you guys a lot of time when I think Bitcoin's going to go, when it looks like all things are leading to down, you know, I like to go the opposite way. But there's a lot of bearish signs here, guys. There's a lot of bearish momentum, and we haven't really got any upwards signals. It's you know, a great time to take that profit for anything you have gotten. We've taken profit on a few things here. I'll show you. We got in here, guys. Support was holding very well. As you can see, this was resistance here, became support here, holding very well. We got in, we got out of this trade here. We got in around here, about an 8% trade. We wanted to get out the top of these lines right here, guys. We don't go for much when we're in these kind of markets like this. Rep was one of our best trades of the week. This was a beautiful setup, and I'll show you exactly how this played out. As you can see, I always keep notes. But either way, I can break this down to you guys. The 61.8, we had a Fibonacci retracement from high to low, from here to here. Okay, you can see the one bounce and the two bounce pinpoint off the 61.8, which is a big retracement zone. We had a double bottom right here. We had a flag pattern that was forming. We got in right here at this candle. Once we saw this indecision candle right here, and then we saw it pinpoint double bottom here off the 61.8. We bought, and this thing just skyrocketed. Our original target was right here at the top. So we weren't looking for a huge breakout, just a breakout to the top. About 8%. We ended up getting out around in this consolidation here, which is a 25% return. But you can see the setup here, guys. Double bottom after the retrace. 61.8% retrace twice. Wedge formation looking for an upside breakout, and we got it. So that was a very good setup for us during the week. I didn't get a chance to give that to you guys because I was sick. Another one, guys. Breaking inside of a channel. Support holding well. Support here, here, and here. Very good area as well as up here. So we got in down here in this consolidation. And we got out at the top. 5% move there. Couple other things, guys, that we look for. But like I said, guys, I would get out of all your positions if you haven't gotten out of them already. I do expect another meltdown to the bottom side. Hopefully 3,000 is going to be the next target. Hopefully we hold there and don't fall anything below it. A couple of other things we want to talk about today, non-Bitcoin related. Non-chart related. The owner and CEO of Canadian crypto exchange, Quadriga CX, died suddenly in India. He was out there trying to set up some orphanages. He's the only person that knows the passwords to approximately 250 million worth of crypto. They're saying 190 new articles have come out saying there's about 250 million worth of crypto. Why is this a big deal? Because that same exchange was just hacked for 190 million dollars, and in order for these 115,000 different people to get their money back, that person had the keys to their cold storage, which would have enabled these people to get their money back out of the company, out of the hack, to make them whole again. The 190 million was stolen from the exchange, and they're saying the customers need to be paid back with that cold storage. But the guy has died. He had some he's only 30-something years old. He had some complications with I forgot which is Crohn's disease, and he ended up dying in India in sometime in December. So in a statement posted on the website on January 31st, Quadriga CX said that they applied for creditor protection in Nova Scotia Supreme Court to allow them the opportunity to address the significant financial loss and the issues that they've affected their ability to serve their customers. So for the past weeks, few weeks actually, they've worked extensively to address their liquidity issues, which include attempting to locate and secure all of the cryptocurrency reserves held in those cold wallets. And that's what is going to be required to satisfy those customers. The cryptocurrency balance is right around, they say, 190 million to 250 billion in the 250 million in the cold storage, and they're going to need every penny of that to, come out of this on top and let the customers get what they're supposed to get. But in another article I just read today, it came out, it states that they have been granted that creditor protection in Nova Scotia Supreme Court today. It's a 30-day stay of proceedings against the company at this point. Now, the debt has left 150,000 users without their funds, so we will keep following the story, guys, to see how they plan to pay it back, knowing the code to the cold storage is inaccessible, and without the CEO, maybe they're going to end up selling the company to try to satisfy these needs. We're not really sure. We'll see what happens, guys. And that's all we have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the Bitcoin breakdown. Remember, if you guys are brand new, check that description out below. You're going to see a link that goes to bitcoinconsumerguide.com/YT. Click that link. Get your free ebook. You're also going to get some stuff, some free offers from Cody Sperber himself, the clever investor, guys. There's not a better mentor than him. He's taught me so much. So, guys, make sure you stick around. Click that link. Get your free ebook and listen to what Cody Sperber has to say, and he's got some free gifts for you guys. So make sure you click that link, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow on the Bitcoin Breakdown series.